Hi sir, it's Mohammad Ali, CEO of Aliwave Digital Solution. Today I'm going to show you my recent successful project, and this Google Ads account got disapproved for compromise site issue. If I go to policy manager, you can see in the appeal history, then you can see there was compromise site issue. Okay, that was from 23 March, and today is April. Okay, 17 April. So if you see, if I'm now going to campaign sector, now you can see it's eligible. Okay, so client hire me and then I working on this case and now it successfully got approved. If I show you some another proof that if you can see 24 hours ago, I was contact with Google support team and I sent an discussion with Google support team. If you see there is 991 and it's 991. Okay, so they was asked me for waiting for 4 or 5 days, and then 2 hours ago the same goal second 9 in 1, and they apply the approve has been updated. Okay, so they approve this, and now this compromise disapprove issue is successfully fixed. So here if you see that one more thing, and that is here now there is no any issue, and it's recently got approved, so that's why still ads not eligible. I mean it's still not running. But here if you see the all time, you can see it's a new campaign and already got $17 cost. So and there's lots of impression. I hope within 1 or 2 hours later it will start campaign. And so here that was the successful project of my if you face any kinds of Google Ads disapprove issue, for example, Google Ads, there is many kinds of reason for Google Ads disapprove issue. One is compromise side issue, malicious software issue, circumventing policy issue, and also lots of reasons. So also we are working for uh, any kinds of Google suspension, for example, circumventing issue, and unaccepted business policy, suspicious payment issue, counterfeit goods policy, and also other all issues. So we only take our fee when you successfully recover your ads account. Until recover it, we don't take any fee. So if you face any kinds of issue, don't hesitate to ask, don't hesitate to knock us. We are always ready for provide a quality service. uh, Please, you can freely knock me, and you can knock us through our WhatsApp, our Gmail, and also you can see. So thank you so much. Stay with Ali Digital Solution. Thank you.